I'm here with Peter Miller.
That's
He's
right,
got some pretty cool things to let us know that he does on a Monday.
On a Monday, well, ever since I was an actor and performer, I've always worked on the weekend. So on the Monday's actually always been a rest day for me. When most people go off to work and they start their working week, it's finished for me. So I go and see a movie or just chill out or write my journal or so on, because this is what I do. Weddings are not held during the week. They're held during the weekend. And that's when I work, when most people are having their party. So I'm a little bit different on Mondays, but I make a difference on the weekend before that.
Wonderful. So you also have online for MC. So anyone out there who wants to make a difference to their Monday by being able to rest because they work on the weekends,
that's right.
Check out
the Event
Peter
Host
Miller.
Masterclass.
Check it out. Check it out.
Yeah, check it out.
Everyone needs a great MC.
They do.
Speak soon. Have fun. Bye.
Bye.